Yeah, hello. I need to do it like that. I can't see myself. So I'm back on the boat, and it's very cold, -1 degree. So I need to now look if I can heat up the boat to work, because nothing, no epoxy, no stick effects, nothing will work if it's like -1 degree. And I also have to say that I think I have some water on the bilge, which I'm going to check out now. So it's a little bit old boats. So you can see I already pumped some water out. So it's was water in there until this little yellow line here. So not too much over like 2 weeks, and also a lot of rain, a lot of stuff that was going on. So let's check the engine bilge and then see if it's the same. Oh yeah. So the water is coming from here. This is the engine bilge. I know that I have a leak somewhere back. This is basically what I need to do. Sorry for the noise, this is my heater. Yeah, so this looks all good to me. This is the stuff I need to replace, and I need to find the leak that is in the back of the boat. This time around I'm going to cut some wooden straps for the headliner in the V-berth, and I'm going to cut some pieces so the headliner that I'm actually cutting at the moment will not be actually screwed into the ceiling itself, so into the balsa core. So I will glue and screw wooden straps on there, so I can basically screw the headliner to that one, and that way it should be a little bit more sturdy when we're sailing. And other than that, I already put some varnish on the headliner in the V-berth off camera on the little shed that we have over there. I hope it cures. It's very cold, like -1 degree. So let's see. The second coat will go on tomorrow, and then I think next week I can actually install them. We already fit them. Fantastic fit. I'm super happy, even though I didn't match the color as I said last week. It's totally fine. I bought another wood stain, also not the right color, so sorry, it's still a bit sick. And yeah, that's going on today. I will show you in a second how I do that, and without further ado, let's get to it. Yeah, so I'm going to spare you the rest. I repeated this process with gluing and screwing basically 4 times, and then I had all my slats done. And just like that, it's the next day and was time for another project.
As you know, I still have the headliners open and I cut all of them to size. They fit perfectly, and now it was time to cut, glue and staple the fabric to the wood. Last but not least, it was also time to varnish the second coat for the headliner in the V-berth. As you can see, it looks very nice with the mahogany and the very shiny varnish. Okay guys, this was already it for this week. There's a lot of stuff happening behind the scenes and stuff that I don't film because I'm not used to it. And I do know that, of course, this is maybe less interesting than sailing, but the DIY part and the refitting part also belongs to boat ownership as much as any other stuff. So I hope you liked the video, as short as it is, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up there and also maybe do a comment and subscribe to the channel. See you next week.
This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.